Great location in Chestnut Hill on a level lot with a small fenced backyard in the back. Lovely rocking chair front porch plus a screened porch in the back. Located on a cul-de-sac with plenty of room to walk the dog or fiddle in the yard. Landscape caring exterior maintenance of the home is provided by the HOA. This is like living in a condo but enjoying a single-family home on one level with a garage. HOA fees also include road maintenance, snow removal, water and sewer.